Hi guys, in this tip I will try to explain to you what are exactly smart object layers in Adobe Photoshop and how these things works. I will use in my example file place embedded command, which is place command in older versions. In newer versions we have and place linked command, which is somewhat different than place embedded, but that's something that we will cover in some of my next video tutorials. For now, I will use project PSD file which is saved on my computer, and I will use graphic to explain to you how these things works and how you can use advantage of smart object layers. So here is graphic with PSD file. It is project PSD in this example, and let's say I want to place image in this project, and I have happy family JPEG file on my desktop, which is, let's go to properties, it is 5000 by 3355 pixels wide, and I will use file place embedded, navigate to that image, double click, and that will place that image in my project PSD. As we can see from options bar, it is actually 1000 pixels wide, not 5000 as original file. So I will click to confirm, and here is what actually happened. Now I have PSD with embedded object. Here is my project PSD file, and here is JPEG, which is exact copy of this happy family image which I have on my desktop. To confirm, I will go to my project PSD file and I will double click on smart object thumbnail. It will open em original embedded file in separate tab, and I can make changes. Let's go to image size, and let's confirm that it is actually 5000 pixel wide as original. So I will use adjustments, let's say levels, to make some huge change, and then I will click to close and confirm, actually to say yes to save changes which I made, and that will reflect into these smaller versions. Let's go to Control T to scaling options, and here is confirmation that this image in my project PSD file is actually 1000 pixel wide. It is scaled version of this embedded file. Now we have, let me drag this file. Now we have PSD file with layers, and I have colored this embedded file as a red layer and background as white. So this is a red layer in my PSD file, and it is created from this embedded object, which is exact copy of my happy family file on my desktop. So that's how these things works, and what this actually means to you. It means that you can, for example, among other things, to scale up and down without any width changes, but you will always have nice and crisp image. Uh, this is happening because here I have a image which is 550,000 pixels wide, and my placed image is actually 5000 pixels. So when you go to transformation options, for example, and you scale this image, Photoshop will wait for you to confirm, and then we'll go to original file and then create this layer which we see in my document. So that was my try to explain to you what are embedded smart object layers and how these things works. And if you have any question or doubt about smart object layers, or you want to learn from me something more what I haven't mentioned in this tutorial, please do not hesitate to leave comments on YouTube or on my blog, which is Design Easy. So thanks for watching, and cheers.